Establish and grow your business with a business loan. A business loan is an ideal financial solution. When you need working capital to start a new business, when you want to grow your business but lack sufficient funding to develop it, you can apply for an unsecured business loan. If you are facing difficulties in running business and need some financial help to overcome it, a number of lending companies and banks can help you by providing a small business loan. If you are in the field of business, then you will need loans at various times at various purposes. Bank and financial companies understand business owners' financial needs. For this purpose, they offer a variety of business loan programs which are specially designed to meet the financial needs of business owners. Constant cash flow is essential for running a successful business, and lack of proper funding can become an obstacle to achieve your business-oriented goals. Business owners often need money for various purposes. It can be for the purpose of purchasing land, buying new office furniture or fixtures, or for advertising your business products or services. Whatever your purpose may be, banks and lending companies are always ready to help you. They offer a host of easy-to-avail business loans programs. You can obtain a business loan for the expenses and growth of your business. The advantages of small business loans. You can avail this loan to start a new business. The borrowed loan can be used at your discretion. No upfront fees is required. Flexible option and no restriction on business. Hassle-free application procedure. You can avail this loan within 10 days of applying. Collateral is not needed. Minimal documentation is needed for approval. No annual fee is charged in most cases. All types of business situations are considered. Business loans are available in all 50 states of America. In earlier times, business owners used to depend on savings account and personal asset to start a new business or to expand the existing business. It was not easy then to get a loan approval. Now you can easily apply for small-term business loans to overcome financial difficulties in your business. A business loan from a lending company is a more convenient option than putting your personal assets on risk. This loan is a great option to meet all your small-term business needs since it does not require a security and can be obtained even with a bad credit history. Business loans have become popular in the past few years for its simplicity and the longest repayment option. This loan is simple and easy to apply because this loan is designed to meet all your business needs. There is no specific ground on which this business loan application may get rejected. However, this loan comes with one stipulation. Business owners can borrow business loans only to fulfill their short-term necessities like working capital for a new business, buying furniture or equipment, or replenishing inventory, and other similar situations. Therefore, apply for a business loan whenever you need some financial assistance in your business. Brought to you by www.unsecurebizloan.com.